Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be changing out these ugly yellow high beams, and unfortunately I don't have the fog lights on there, but you'll get the picture. The fog lights are also yellow. So what we're going to do, see if they come on here. Oh, well, one good feature about this is if you leave the lights on for more than 30 seconds, they turn off automatically, even if you set them to on. It's a pretty cool feature. Yeah, check it out. So there's a fog light. You can see yellow, and high beams are yellow. Let's take care of that right now. All right, guys, so what we're looking to change is that bulb right there. All right, let's get in here and change this headlight. You're gonna basically reach into the bottom, and you're gonna pull the plug. You're gonna twist it counterclockwise or clockwise. Basically lefty loosey, righty tighty, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna pull it out, replace it with the new one. In this case, I got these. So you just twisted it, it popped right out. It was really easy. Just find the light bulb with your hands and twist. There's really no need to go in there and record it, but that's the old one. All right, I already finished one of them. It already looks great. I just want to show you guys the difference between the bulbs, man. Look at this bright bulb we're getting and this bulb that Nissan gave. Come on, Nissan. All Armada trims come with this? Come on. Step your game up. Little quick fix gonna make everyone happy. A little awkward angle. I'm here underneath or right at the fog light. In order for you to replace this fog light, you have to get underneath. There's a little hole. You can get through here. There's the back of the housing. You just twist it and remove. When you do, the cord will come down. You can see right there is the bulb. On the other fog light, I took it off, put the bulb in, and then I tried putting the wire on. It was very difficult. So what I'm gonna do this time, I'm gonna put the wire on the new bulb from the get-go, and then I'm gonna put it into the housing. See, that's a lot easier, okay? All right, so definitely that's the way to go. Plug it in before you even put that fog light in. The headlight housing was really easy. I don't think you need to plug that in first. That wasn't really too difficult. Definitely you need to plug this in first and then install it. All right, guys, here's your fog lights and your high beam upgrade. Super easy to do. One of the best mods I've done so far with little cost, little time, and honestly, little effort. I recommend you going and doing it. If this helps you guys in any way or it motivated you to do it, hit a like, hit that subscribe for future content, and I'll check you guys later in the future.